Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very impressive bounce. I mean, at one point in time, the price was literally all the way down at that area of the chart, and now by the time the closing bell came around, price managed to close back up there. So any rational person is definitely going to say, yeah, the price definitely made a nice bounce on the day. But that does lead to the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. I'm actually going to get rid of all these lines. Sure, they still pertain, but they're not really relevant right now as far as kind of trying to figure out, does this bounce actually have some true, genuine power behind it? And in my mind, answering this question is going to come down to this level right here at $16.25. Why is $16.25 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement has genuine power, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $16.25. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse set, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would be putting the price back inside of this range of the chart that it, where it was during this, low portions of the day. Point being, going back, not a sign of true strength. Or let's say the price does work its way down here a little bit. However, in this situation, behaves in this manner and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I am just defining and quantifying progress, quote unquote, again, as that 16.25 mark. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, going forward now, it's all about that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. You can see back on Friday on a couple of different instances the price was rejected by it. So keep a close eye on that if this upwards move continues. But yeah, you got to give credit where credit's due. From where things were to where things closed, the Bulls made a very nice comeback. So let's see if they can build upon that momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.